All right, Amazon. How's it going? We're gonna do this one together. It's never been turned on before. Plugged it in. Filled this jar. This is actually a whole cantaloupe. So far it's holding the juice in, not running all over my light box, thankfully. The instructions basically say, put this jar in here. Of course, the blade attachment is attached. Turn it clockwise and it's ready to use. That's all it says. There's no buttons or anything on this. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen. So we're going to find out together. Okay, looks like here's the arrow. Go ahead and put it in. Now either it's going to start or a menu is going to come up. Let's see what happens. It started. Give me that cantaloupe juice, baby. Give me that cantaloupe juice. Says when you reach the desired consistency, you're going to want to stop it. You're going to want a little more consistency. Oh yeah, okay. Calm down. I stopped it. That was pretty quick. Looks like the consistency is really good. I mean, it is lunchtime, so I guess I'm going to enjoy some cantaloupe puree. I'll be removing the blade. I'll put one of the lids on it. We're going to see how it goes. That was really quick, and there's only going to be one single item to clean up. Well, actually the jar, the blender blades, and then the lid once I put it on. So that was pretty impressive. It is automatic. There's really no choices per se. It does come with a secondary blender blade that has some different functionality, as it's a single blade instead of a double blade. So I guess you can chop things or maybe not puree it so much. All right, that was really good, actually.
Alrighty, so we have the Coils multifunctional blender. It comes with all those neat things that you see in the box, and right next to it, there's the blender part. It comes with 3 blending cups, 2 of the blending lids, which is what does the blending. It comes with 2 of these cool little lids. That way you can drink your smoothie on the go straight from the blender right after it's blended, right? What a great way. And it also comes with this little storage lid, just in case you're somebody like me that loves to make chile or just anything that needs to be blended and stored. Today I'm going to be making a smoothie with elderberry and banana and all these other great things. But even that, after you're done, it also comes with this little cool brush that you could wash all your stuff with. So yeah, y'all check it out. It's pretty good blender, pretty good buy, you know. If y'all are on a budget and you are trying to get like the Ninja, you know, or anything like that, this is definitely a great substitute. It's affordable and it's not gonna go ahead and rip out an arm, you know, just to have a great smoothie on the go.
Put the lime in the coconut, she drank 'em both up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank 'em both up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she called a doctor, woke him up. I said, doctor, ain't there nothing I can take? I said, doctor, to relieve this bellyache. I said, doctor, ain't there nothing I can take? I said, doctor, to relieve.
The part broke after barely using it, maybe 25 times. I owned it for a year. Cups still work, but the main part, which spins everything, broken.
Oh, that one you don't need to move
You
it.
just push down.